grind out here for real. I'm your host, Josh. Welcome back today with another episode of valuable information. Valuable life lessons. Information about, I don't know, but I'm your host. If you're like most people, grinding stone is on your bucket list. We're out here on location. Today we're going to talk about the proper way to use an angle grinder. Whatever your story is, here's a pro tip for you.
Now, the proper way to use an angle grinder
is the way you don't lose all your fingers. Thank you, please, no, thank you. Remember, the number one rule, safety first, folks. Well, that's some good advice to take with you to the grave. I hope y'all learned something valuable today. That's all we're gonna have for you, folks. Thank you for watching. This has been another episode of Valuable Advice with your host, Josh. Or is it valuable info? No. Valuable life lessons. Wait.